Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you where to find the USB and auxiliary on a 2014 to 2021 Lexus NX. So if you follow the center console down to the center armrest, lift it out of the way, lift the wireless phone charger out of the way, you'll see the 12 volt socket over here, but under this flap is the auxiliary and USB. So you can plug your MP3 player or phone in to either just audio or into the USB to charge it as well. To get to it on the menu, choose the shortcut key for audio. You'll see the radio stations here, push it again, and you'll see FM, Bluetooth audio, AM, you'll see disc and USB 1, which is grayed out because there's nothing connected to it. You'll see auxiliary here, and AV if you have an option to plug in a video source. So we really hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.